Welcome, friend. I'm glad you're here. At the start of a new day, before it has asked anything of you. There is nowhere to be but here. Nothing to do but breathe. Let your body settle, sitting or lying down, however is comfortable. And if you'd like, let your eyes close. Take a first slow breath and let it go. Today, we begin with the breath, and we'll stay close to it. You don't have to make it deep or special. Just let it be as it is. Feel the air arrive and feel it leave. Notice where you feel it most. At the nose, the chest, the belly. Let the breath move through the body like a slow tide. Feel your shoulders soften on the exhale, your jaw, your hands. With each breath out, let yourself arrive a little more. Yesterday, we found that life only ever happens here, in this moment. Today, the breath becomes our way back to it. Think of the breath as an anchor. All day, the mind will drift into plans, into worries, into the next thing. That's all right. That is what the mind does. But the breath is always here, always now, never in the past, never in the future. So, whenever you notice you've drifted, the breath is waiting to bring you home. You don't have to hold the breath in your attention all day. You only have to remember it. Now and then. One breath, taken on purpose, is enough to set you down again. Right here. The beauty of this anchor is that you carry it everywhere. You can't forget it at home. You can't lose it. It is with you in the quiet and in the noise. So let's practice gently. Take one slow breath in. Feel it fill you. And a long breath out. As you breathe in, say to yourself silently, I am here. And as you breathe out, I am home. Once more, breathing in, I am here. Breathing out, I am home. Let this be your anchor for the day. And now, set a quiet intention. Today, I will return to my breath. Whenever I drift, not perfectly, just gently, again and again. In a moment, we'll return, but the breath comes with you. It always has. Begin to move your fingers, your toes. Take a fuller breath. And when you're ready, let your eyes open. The day is waiting. And so is the breath. Anytime you need it. One breath, and you're home. Have a good day. Have a good day.